Okay, let's look at finding the number of solutions. Does it have 1, 0, or infinite solutions? One solution is when the variable is equal to a number. So, for example, x equals 9, right? If x equals 9, it means it has one solution. Zero solutions is when you end up with something like this, 3 equals 5. That means it has no solutions. Infinite solutions is when you have something that's equal to itself. For instance, 5 equals 5 or 3x equals 3x. So we're going to determine the number of solutions for each equation. So we have these expressions here, and what we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms to see where we end up. So right off the bat, I'm looking at the x's, and I'm seeing that I have a negative 7x, I have a 2x, and I have a negative 9x. What I can do first is combine the 2x and negative 9x on the right-hand side. So I have negative 7x plus 2 is equal to negative 7x plus 2. When I combine these two, I get negative 7x. And now I'm going to add 7x to, these are both negative 7x, so either way I'm going to be adding a 7x to one side or the other to combine them. This cancels out, so I have 2x, I have 2 is equal to, and now I see that this also cancels out, is equal to 2. So when something is equal to itself, I look up here, it's equal to itself, so it has infinite solutions. All right, and if I was in my slide deck, I would be able to drag this over to infinite solutions. For the second one, I have almost the same one. I just have different numbers, but I'm going to copy this over here. And because I see that I have two x's over here, so I still have negative 7x plus 2. I'm going to add 7x to both sides because that's the only thing I can do. And I'm left with 3x on the left, and I'm left with 2 on the right. And I look up and I see when you have a solution where it ends up with something is equal not to something, they're two different numbers, that means it has no solution. And now the last one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 7x because I don't want to deal with negatives. If I were to subtract 2x, I'd have a negative. So this cancels out, and I'm left with 3 is equal to 9x plus 2. The next thing I can do is I can subtract 2. And now I have 1 is equal to 9x. I divide by 9. And then I have that x is equal to 1/9. So that has one solution. X is equal to something. So that 1/9 is going to be the solution, the only solution to this last problem.